Ramadan is not just a month of fasting, it is the month of the Qur'an. Allah says in the Holy Qur'an, the month of Ramadan in which was revealed the Qur'an, a guidance for mankind. Surah Al-Baqarah 2-185. This month is a gift from Allah. But how should we use our time in it? Let us reflect through the Qur'an. Scene 1. Ramadan, the month of the Qur'an. Allah revealed the Qur'an in Ramadan as guidance. That means Ramadan is not for wasting time. It is for reconnecting with the Book of Allah. Imagine a young Muslim named Ahmad. At the beginning of Ramadan, he spends hours scrolling on his phone. Days pass quickly, but then he hears a verse about Ramadan being the month of the Qur'an. He realizes, if Allah sent his greatest gift in this month, why am I wasting it? From that day, Ahmad sets a goal. Read a portion of Qur'an daily and understand its meaning. Lesson. Set a daily Qur'an time. Reflect on its message. Let the Qur'an guide your day. Scene 2. Learning self-control, taqwa. Allah says, "O you who believe, fasting has been prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those before you, that you may become righteous." Haftaqwa Surah Al-Baqarah 2-183. Ramadan teaches self-control. Ahmad feels hungry during the day. No one is watching. He could secretly drink water, but he doesn't. Why? Because he knows Allah sees him. Ramadan teaches us, control the tongue from gossip. Control the eyes from bad things. Control anger. Time is used wisely when we improve our character. Scene 3. The power of Laylatul Qadr. In the last 10 nights, Allah gives a special gift. Allah says, Laylatul Qadr is better than 1,000 months. Surah Al-Qadr 97-3. One night equals more than 83 years of worship. Ahmad understands something powerful. If I waste these nights, I may lose rewards greater than my lifetime. So he prays at night. Makisi's sincere dua asks Allah for forgiveness. Lesson. Increased worship in the last 10 nights. Don't waste nights on entertainment. Seek forgiveness sincerely. Scene 4. Giving and kindness. The Qur'an teaches charity and kindness. Ramadan is not only about personal worship, it is about helping others. Ahmad begins sharing food, giving charity, helping his parents. He realizes that Ramadan time is precious when spent serving others. Final reflection. Ramadan is like a school. Allah trains us for 30 days. Disciplined patience, worship, good character. If we use our time wisely, we leave Ramadan as better Muslims. If we waste it, we lose a treasure that comes only once a year. Closing message. Narrator. Ramadan is short. Days pass quickly. Every minute is valuable. Ask yourself, how am I using my Ramadan today? May Allah help us use our time wisely, accept our fasting, and grant us Laylatul Qadr. Ameen.